Or something center.
We're in Cruzon Corners and we're gonna ride this beautiful glass elevator.
It's an Esco.
It looks like it's still original.
Yeah, go and call it. I want to watch it come down.
I know Gloose has filmed here before.
Yeah, and he has. I want to watch it come down. There it is. All right, let's get on.
This is a very vintage. This is right from the 1980s.
Definitely 80s. And check this out. If it'll close. It's got the old bumper. I'm sorry.
We're gonna go to 1 and get off at 2.
Okay. That motor sounded exactly like any other Esco elevators. Pain.
So I'm getting off at 2, and then you can stay on if you'd like.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
I'm gonna get off.